Welcome to our tutorial on how to write your bio on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps together. To get started, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various profile settings. Next, look for the button in the top right corner that says Edit Profile, and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can customize your profile information. Now, navigate to the text box that contains your bio information. Select the box to activate it and prepare to input your desired bio content. With the text box selected, start typing your bio information. Feel free to express yourself and share relevant details about yourself or your interests. Once you have written what you want in your bio, click on the Save Changes button to apply the updates and save your new bio on your Twitter profile. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily craft and update your bio on Twitter using your PC. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on optimizing your social media presence.